Hey friends, today I'll show you a new method to get TikTok likes for free. Firstly, kindly copy your video link and go to any web browser of your choice. Now tap and search for DJAKB. Select the first website. Now tap the search bar above and type the keyword superviral. Scroll down and select the read more below the second post. Now scroll down again and select the blue button. As you can see, our TikTok likes has been sent successfully to our video. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos.
Wait, I gave you my heart.